So a few people asked how I made this fart machine. So I started by importing the funny sounds, but if you can't do that, don't worry, I got you. Here's a free pack of all the funny sounds. Also, if you don't want to build this thing and you just want the invention, it's called Toot Machine. So for this, we're going to use a trigger handle, an audio player, and an emitter. First, when the primary action is pressed, we switch this bool to true. We'll come back to that later. Then we have it choose one of the sounds that we got from our list of funny sounds. I could have done this with a random from list, but whatever. Then we have it play the audio. We also get the length of the audio track that was selected and put that into a delay. This delay tells the emitter to start boosting. By the way, you want to configure it to do boosting. And then once the delay is over, it's going to stop doing the boosting, then flip the bool back to false. So now for the bool variable. We have this 30 Hertz receiver running on the system of the player who's currently holding the trigger handle. Once that gets flipped to true, then it comes through this if chip and it's going to set transform the emitter, which is the boost thingy. It's going to set that to the body position of the player that's holding it. Minus, I think that's 0.2, so just a little bit below, kind of down where it would be anatomically correct, you know what I mean? Now this next part is like the most difficult thing for me. I wanted to get the fart stream pointing like behind you and down a little bit. What I had to do was get the forward vector of the player, so what direction the player was facing, and then I had to do a vector scale and scale it negative. So basically flip it backwards, right? And then, I don't really understand quaternions. I think I'm getting it a little bit more. We had to take its current point and rotate it around a negative 0.25 quaternion. I don't really know. And then that resulting vector we could put into our rotation. And then we end up with a fart machine, and it will follow you as you're walking.